Welcome aboard. If you end up liking this video, please hit the like button below and subscribe if you would. It really helps out our channel. Thanks much and enjoy. Nebo is working, but for some reason or other, Navionics is giving me some issues. You can tell down here and up and through here, that's just point to point. We should have shown a course that went all the way around out like this. So we'll monitor it and see what happens. Might try shifting over to active captain too. That might work better. But we'll see. Ray Marine is working. No other boats out here on AIS, but it's we're moving along. We're a mile out now.
To see which one is the best, which one could accommodate her. Because it's not like all drive, and I said, like, well, I like that. That's not a plus when you drive from it. Makes me feel a little better. But I needed 4 Advil to get to sleep last night. But I'm like, today I have to get away from it. But I think I probably will do some work tonight. I want Bill, you can go to the store if you don't mind.
Go to the store
For dinner.
Are we gonna have anything for dinner?
Well, yeah, hamburgers. I have the hamburgers out.
What do we need from the store?
Well, buns, and you probably need more soda. We could have potato salad.
All right, you wanna?
Which way?
Just a minute, I gotta check
This way. All right. Ready? I can't go. It's not letting me go.
You gotta take it off of auto.
Oh, jeez. Way to go, Gail.
It's that dementia.
Yeah. Your mild dementia's kicking in. You have a knot.
Right there. Kind of head back over this way a little bit more. That's good. Right there is good. Now you'll be in the shade.
That's okay. Those boats are moving.
Yeah. There's a little bit of wind in there.
Am I too far over?
Yep, fine. If you've watched some of our recent videos, you've seen that we've had a lot of light air days this summer. According to the National Weather Service, that is not unusual for this area of the country at this time of the year. So, here we are. Recently, while walking down the dock, I caught a piece of conversation from a couple of other sailors at the marina. I overheard one of the older guys talking about the light airs. "Don't worry about the wind," he said. "Just get out there. Raise your sails. Let the wind find you. Then figure it out. That's sailing." In many respects, I guess that has been my philosophy with respect to light air sailing. As I have said before, I actually like light air sailing. While it can be frustrating, it is also a nice sailing challenge. So here we go. Another light air day.
She goes like, and I'm just like, ask you to do that. You couldn't postpone your Milwaukee trip for 2 weeks to take care of her?
As we are coming in, you'll see that there are a lot of what look like clumps of weeds again. Actually, those bright green clumps are not technically weeds. They are apparently clumps of algae blooms that are common at this time of year. They don't really seem to affect us as they tend to float on the surface, and they are easily pushed aside as we pass.
So remember to get the 2 side lines on first.
Yep.
Then everything else will just fall into place.
Trump's billionaire friend or whatever bought CBS. Did you hear that? No. Something else. Has to go into. Oh, wait. Yeah, I don't think he'll have to go to jail, but I'm sure there's something in his reputation. Can you see? Sorry.
Now I can. Oh, I can see.
Yeah. Put the two in.
Doesn't make any difference which one goes on first.
Oh, is this
Just hand me that one and I'll
okay,
take
wait, this is the middle one.
Yeah, those 2 are the middle ones.
Perfect.
it on.